What is threat modeling process and methodologies? In the world of software security, threat modeling plays a crucial role in identifying and mitigating potential risks and vulnerabilities. It is a structured approach used to evaluate and prioritize security concerns, ultimately leading to the development of more secure software systems. What is threat modeling? Threat modeling is a proactive approach that helps organizations identify and understand potential security threats and vulnerabilities before they manifest into actual attacks. The threat modeling process. Define the scope, define the boundaries and objectives of the threat modeling exercise. Create an architectural overview, develop a high-level architectural diagram indicating the structure of the software system. Assess security controls, evaluate the existing security controls and analyze their effectiveness in mitigating identified threats. Iterate and update, regularly review and update the threat model as the software system evolves and new threats emerge. Threat modeling methodologies. STRIDE. This methodology focuses on identifying threats based on 6 main categories: spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, and elevation of privilege. DREAD. The DREAD methodology evaluates threats based on the following factors: damage potential, reproducibility, exploitability, affected users, and discoverability. The importance of using threat modeling tools. Threat modeling tools can significantly streamline the threat modeling process by providing a structured approach and automating certain tasks. Conclusion. Threat modeling is an essential component of software security, allowing organizations to proactively identify and mitigate potential risks and vulnerabilities. Implementing threat modeling as an integral part of the secure software development lifecycle is crucial to ensure the protection of sensitive data and the trust of users.